GMKtec has recently unveiled its latest innovation, the K7 mini PC, in the Chinese market, and it has quickly become available for purchase on JD.com at an enticing price of 24.99 yuan, approximately $350. This introduction marks an exciting addition to the mini PC market, offering a compelling blend of performance, compact appearance, and affordability. Let's explore the key specifications of this newly launched product. The K7 mini PC stands out with its compact appearance, measuring a mere 128.8 by 127 by 47.8 mm, making it an optimal solution for environments where space is at a premium. Despite its diminutive dimension, this mini PC packs a punch in terms of performance, particularly suited for resource-intensive tasks like video production and graphics appearance. Under the hood, the K7 mini PC is powered by the formidable Intel Core i5-13500H processor. This processor, with its 12 cores and 16 threads, the mini PC supports up to 64 gigs of dual-channel DDR5 memory, running at a speedy 4800 MHz, ensuring smooth multitasking and efficient handling of memory-intensive applications. Storage options are versatile with dual M.2 SSD slots, accommodating both PCIe 4.0 and PCIe 3.0 standards. This allows users to configure the mini PC with a combination of fast and capacious storage, catering to a variety of demanding applications. The K7 mini PC takes cooling seriously, featuring a robust dual-fan appearance. This cooling system effectively manages temperatures for both the CPU and memory or SSD, ensuring stable performance even under heavy workloads. In terms of display capabilities, the K7 mini PC supports multi-screen 4K display output. It also offers users the flexibility to choose from 3 performance modes, allowing customization according to specific computing needs. Connectivity is a strong suit for the K7 mini PC, equipped with a Wi-Fi 6 wireless card and featuring dual 2.5G Ethernet ports. The array of interfaces includes HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-A, and USB 4, catering to diverse peripheral and display requirements. The K7 mini PC comes preloaded with the Windows 11 Professional Edition, providing users with a streamlined and feature-rich operating system. Additionally, the device comes with a range of after-sales services, including a 7-day no-reason return policy, a 1-year warranty for the entire machine, and an extended 3-year warranty for major hardware components. This commitment to customer satisfaction ensures users can rely on the K7 mini PC for a seamless and dependable computing experience. You liked this video, so don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.